What is going on, everybody? Car Guy V8 here, and I'm about to reveal to you what I've been working on for the last few months just in my spare time. Slowly but surely, this truck has come together, and here it is, my 1979 GMC Sierra with a fresh paint job, just a budget $120 paint job, truly transformed the look of the truck. I just put a new wooden bed in that also helped complete this transformation. And the biggest reveal of all is this fresh 383 stroker with a set of Vortec heads. Let's walk around the truck and then take it for a short drive. Keep in mind, the engine's still being broken in, so there's not going to be anything crazy in this video. Here's the Squarebody taking up prime real estate in the front yard so my neighbors can bask in its glory. That budget paint job honestly turned out way better than I ever thought that it would. Here's a picture before. You can see it is a dramatic difference. Look at that. That truck just looks so mean. I can't believe it's mine. 383 stroker, budget 383. You wouldn't believe the amount of money I have in this engine. I'll have to tell y'all the full story sometime. Wiring, some of the wiring stuff I couldn't believe I was okay with it the first time I did an engine swap. So I cleaned up a little. I'm going to clean up more soon, because I've still got some stuff to do on this truck. Like, it needs hood hinges. That's why it doesn't have a hood on it. But just look at that thing. It looks like money. Man, I still don't have steps for it. Honestly, it doesn't look bad without steps, though. But I am going to get some one of these days. I've kind of gotten accustomed to it not having steps, so that may be why I say that. Oh, and the bed, man. This turned out really good. So good, man. It's pretty much turnkey. Still got the same gauge setup. I'm going to redo that dash with a black dash pad, I think, and paint the door panels. But I got to do something because they bolted on the manual windows. Look at that. How are you supposed to get the door panel off now? I think they weren't thinking ahead, but let's see.